I've just messaged my Hermes agent in Telegram and received a list of thousands of HVAC contractors located in Texas, including their verified email addresses. I didn't use AP I didn't use any third-party tools or any expensive scrapers. I've just used Hermes on a VPS, $6 per month. I've used a very cheap email verifier tool, which I will show you a little bit later on in this video. And I've used Telegram and Google Sheet. So the system is providing us with thousands and thousands of verified leads pretty much on tap and almost for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up yourself. You will see that this is not complicated at all. We'll just need to make sure that first you have the Hermes agent running on a VPS. If you don't, you will need to go to our course, which is called Zero to Admin. This course will teach you how to get a VPS, how to install the Hermes agent safely behind Tailscale so that you don't get hacked. We'll show you how to connect GitHub. We'll show you how to connect it to Telegram. And we'll also show you how to use the desktop application, which makes it very, very comfortable, or at least much more comfortable than using terminal, especially if you're not familiar with the process. If you haven't got the MS agent installed properly, you won't be able to follow this course. So I recommend that you do that first and then come back. So we are just going to check the stuff that we are actually going to need for this video. So a VPS plus Hermes, we will need a Google service account. We'll also need a mail taster API key, which is the email verifier. I will tell you about the cost in a second, but you will have a very good surprise there. It's the cheapest I've found, and the quality is really on par with everything else on the market. So that's definitely my recommendation. I didn't know about this tool until very recently, but someone in the community mentioned it. I tried it, and then I can vouch for it. And we are just going to deploy everything, and we are going to do that just by talking to Hermes through Telegram. You will see that everything is going to be conversational, except from one single command that you will only have to copy paste inside the terminal window. And you will be able to get the exact same system as the one I'm running within minutes. So there are two different ways to get access to the system. The first way is to get the plugin or the agent directly from the community. Now, this is very recent, and up until last week, we weren't able to share plugins or agents. This is a new release by new research with people behind the Hermes agent, where we can now share stuff with communities, clients, people, etc., so that they can run the exact same agent as the one we've built for ourselves. And when it gets updated with a simple command, you can get yours updated too. If you're not in the community, that's not an issue. You can do it solo. You can click the link below for a full setup guide and every prompt for free. But building it yourself means that you will need to use a more expensive model like GPT 5.5 so that it can actually code everything for you. You will also encounter bugs, which we've already ironed out with this ready-to-use agent. So in order to use this ready-to-use agent, we will need to make sure that we give Hermes a GitHub token. So I'm going to show you how to get one. You will head over to GitHub settings/tokens. Then you're going to click on generate new token. You're going to click on classic and then select everything. So check all the checkboxes. The token is going to appear down here just under the title. Now you'll want to make sure that you add it inside the Hermes agent. So make sure that you are within the right profile. So yours is going to be default profile. if you don't have one already deployed. If you don't know how to access this dashboard, it's very straightforward. You just need to make sure that you are logged into the VPS and then type Hermes dashboard. It's going to give you an IP address, and you just need to copy paste in the browser bar. And this is going to open an interface like this one. Next, you'll head over to keys and paste the token that you've been provided before and save it. So that's all you need to do in regards to connecting the system with GitHub. And that's very, very useful. It's mandatory in my opinion. Next, we need to deploy the agent. So in regards to deploying the agent, you can go inside the repo and find the installation guide. So you'll see that here there is the install section. Just head over to terminal, make sure that you are logged into the actual VPS and not onto the computer, and you will paste this exact command. So Hermes profile install, and then that's going to be the URL of the GitHub repo, and then double dashes alias. So that's really, really important that you do it as a single line command like that, because some of the VPSs don't accept like multi-line commands. So that's pretty much all you need to do in order to deploy the agent. Now we are going to switch to Telegram, and then everything we are going to do from here is text-based. So now we are going to go inside the chat and just copy this prompt, get yourself set up, download your business data, and install whatever you need. And you will see that the system is just going to do it by itself. It's very straightforward. It will pull 12 million businesses, and then it will deploy the browser it uses to read maps and to scrape the website, and it will just take a few minutes. Then we are going to ask, are you ready to pull leads? When it says yes, it means that we are live. Now we will want to push the leads inside Google Sheet. It makes it much more comfortable. So we are going to head over to the Google Cloud Console. If you don't have an account, you need to get one. It's really useful and it's free. So we are going to go to Google Cloud Console. Make sure that you are within the right project. If you don't have a project already created, you will need to create one, and then make sure that you provide your credit card details. They won't charge you unless you go really mad with the write and read API requests. Otherwise, it's going to remain free pretty much forever. If you encounter issues where you're hitting the quota, you can use Airtable, or you can use an open source database. It will work exactly the same way. So you're going to go to Enable API Services, click on the plus button, and make sure you select Google Sheet. You will just select the right service. You will see Manage button if yours is already enabled, or if it is not, you will see Enable. So just click on that. Next, we're going to deal with the credentials. So I'm going to click back on API and services. I'll click on credentials. I'm going to create a new set of credentials. It's going to be OAuth, client ID, and here pay attention. We are going to use desktop application. We are going to give it a name, create, and here you will see a button to download the JSON. We are going to copy everything. So download the document, open text editor or whatever else you are using, cursor, anti-gravity, or any text editor will do the job. And now we are going to go back inside the Telegram, and we are just going to point Hermes at it. we'll need to make sure that the skill is enabled. So we are going to go inside the dashboard. We are going to click on skills. We are going to select Google and make sure that Google Workspace is toggled on so that the system already knows how to deploy itself. And next, we are going to go back inside the Telegram chatbot. I'm going to make sure we are inside the right chatbot. And we are just going to say, we need to set up Google Workspace and write inside Google Sheet. Here are the JSON credentials. And you'll see that the system is just going to set itself up. So this is very convenient. It's actually one of the first systems that I see which is capable to administrate itself. Now we are going to set up the API email verification key. For that, you can use any email verification tool you want, AP5, Million Verifier, or anyone you like. The one I recommend is Mail Tester Ninja. The reason why I recommend them is that, first of all, this is very cheap. We are paying $17 per month for 100,000 verifications per day. So it can't get any cheaper than that. And the quality is really equivalent to the other email verification tools out there. So I can vouch for it. The only thing is that the rate limit you based on the plan that you've selected. The system already knows how to do that. There is nothing for you to do. When you enter the API key, so you will get your API key in the email. It doesn't have an interface where you can get the API key. The system is just going to set up the API key on your behalf. So just by talking to it, and then it will ask you which plan are you on. So make sure you know which one are you on, because this will determine the rate limit. Once you've done that, you'll see that the rest of it is pretty straightforward. We are basically just going to talk to the system and say, hey, can you please find 3,000 roofer contractor in Texas and verify the email addresses? And the system is just going to do it for you without manual input required from your end. It will ask you, where do you want the list to be added? And then it will ask you if you want to send this list into automated client acquisition. Automated client acquisition is a private tool that's provided for free inside the community, where you can deploy email campaigns, LinkedIn sequences, lead to comment strategy. It will also give you very cheap mailboxes for your emailing infrastructure. And basically, if you want to run your campaigns through automated client acquisition, you will only need to add a new automation and name the actual campaign of leads. So here you're going to provide any lead lists you want, or name it however you like. Toggle on this button, auto-enroll new leads added to the list, and then select your sender's accounts if you want to do it using LinkedIn. But if you just want to run email campaigns, you're going to start campaign, and then you're going to look for enrolled in email sequence. And here you're going to choose an email sequence, which you can create in here. So that's the easiest way to run it, so that you can have the system up and running within a few minutes. And it's really not expensive at all to run, and will yield you really good results.